Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone slow Wi-Fi connection and weak signal issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution number 1. Enable and disable network and wireless. For that, first launch settings. Now scroll down, find and tap on privacy and tap location services. Turn on location services if it's turned off. Now scroll down and tap system services and under system services find and turn off network and wireless. Tap turn off to confirm. Now wait for a couple of minutes. After that enable network and wireless. You can also solve this issue by refreshing Wi-Fi connection. To refresh Wi-Fi connection, go to settings, tap on Wi-Fi and turn off Wi-Fi. After turning off the Wi-Fi, go back to iPhone home screen and force restart your iPhone by pressing home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears. And if you're using latest iPhone models, then quickly press and release volume up button, then quickly press and release volume down button, then press side button until Apple logo appears. After the forced restart, go back to settings, tap on Wi-Fi and connect to Wi-Fi. Solution number 3. Turn off Wi-Fi assist. For that, first launch settings and tap mobile data. Now scroll down and find Wi-Fi assist and turn off Wi-Fi assist. Solution number 4. Reset network settings. Launch settings. Then tap general. Now tap reset and tap reset network settings. iPhone passcode required and tap again reset network settings in pop-up window to confirm your action. That's it. Hopefully friends you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.